Hello students, let us see the example number 11. What the problem is there from the alkene. They are saying write the IUPAC name of the following compounds and calculate the number of sigma and pi bond in these. Okay. So dear students, how can you be able to solve this problem? Let us see. This problem we can write in the different way also. Okay. So how can you be able to write this problem, student? This is the CH is there. Okay, this CH I am writing, that is one CH is here CH3 because here twice is there. Downside CH3 I am writing, expanding this one. Then CH double bond again CH, and it is going to be CH2. Then again it is CH double bond CH. Here is again student, that is CH. This is CH3 and this is C2H5, right? So dear students, C2H5 I am changing because C2H5 is the, we are supposed to take the longest chain. So it is I am writing CH2 and CH3. So from which direction we have to start numbering? Where the double bond will get the least number. So if you are numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, and third position, that is prefix is coming here 1, 2, 3. Third position what they are taking, student, prefix is there. Second position prefix, third position double bond. So that is what the correct one is. What is, student? Correct one is the correct which we can write, that is the opposite direction we have to take, student. This is not the correct direction. Okay, so I am erasing this. Okay, so correct direction will be here. So you can write 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cannot go straight, student. We are coming here 9 and 10, right? So how can you be able to write? That is, where is 2 and 8 position? There is, what is there, student? 2, 8 dimethyl is there. 2, 8, what is there, student? Dimethyl. So 2, 8 dimethyl. This is the group 2, 8 dimethyl. Then what is there, student? Dec. 10 carbon is there, dec, and that is 2, 3 and 6. Dec 3, comma 6. What will come, student? Diene. Okay. 2, 8. It is coming 2, 8 dimethyl dec. No. 3, 6 diene. This is our IUPAC name, student. Dear students, they are asking, that is how many sigma and pi bond. Okay. So each pi bond. Okay. Each pi bond contain what it is contain, student? Each pi bond contain how many? 1 sigma. It is containing 1 sigma plus 1 pi. That you have to keep in mind. Each pi bond contain 1 sigma and 1 pi, right? Now let us solve this problem, students. Okay. So dear students, how can you be able to? Firstly, you see pi bond. How many pi bond you can be able to solve? Here you see 1 pi bond. Here is 1 pi bond. So pi bond, how many are there, student? 2. Pi bond is 2. Of sigma bond you can find out, student, sigma bond. See, that is 3, 3, 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So total is coming how much? 32, and this one is 33. So total sigma bond is coming how much, student? 33, and pi bond is coming how much, student? That is 2. Right, student. Acha, this something is very difficult to understand the sigma bond, student. That wait, I am explaining the sigma bond again. Okay, sometime you may face the problem while solving the what, student? That is the sigma bond. Okay, so for that what we can do, student, you can write that is extended version, student, extended version. So here is what is there, C, whatever there, student, that is the, suppose C is there. Okay, C. So with the C, what is that is 1 hydrogen is there, and here is what is CH3 is there. Downside again CH3 is there. You can have look like that. Okay, So here is the first group we mention here. Then it is coming, what is that is already CH over, then C, here is H, this will come double bond, here is H, then it is coming C, here is hydrogen, downside hydrogen, then again this is the CH2, then again C, here is hydrogen, this is the double bond, and here is again hydrogen, this is C, here is hydrogen, here is the C, here is H, here is H, downside C, here is H, here is H, and again you see student downside H, and what is the, here is what is there student, that is C, here is hydrogen, and downside hydrogen. So dear student, let us have a look over it. Okay, make the count it out. 1 2 3 4, right? 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 and 33. So sigma bond is how much student, that is 33. Pi bond how many, 1 2, pi 1 2. This is our required answer student. You can read out the slides also. Here is 2,8 dimethyl decane, deca 3,6 diene. Okay, sigma bond 33, pi bond 2. So this is our required answer student. Thank you so much for watching dear students. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel students.